the famous Yožek driving lesson 3,743,733 billions, and by square multiply by 3, and she is the best. All right.
Can you watch me?
I'm watching you.
I should signal first, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. There was like a discrepancy here. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Look what we. Okay. I just want to show you something, guys. You see, this is the Yožek vehicle, and we have. You see, hey, excuse me. Now, you have to be hydrated. When you go to driving lessons, you have to drink here. Hydrate yourself, please. A little bit, because...
No, actually I was drinking from the cup.
Drinking from the cup and peeing in the cup. But this is a Uber terminology, sorry to tell you guys, but there are some people in the world that cannot go to the restroom, so they have to go to the cup.
Oh, poor people.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so I have to signal, and I look, I can't see no one behind me, right?
That is correct. I have to put my seat belt. All right. Do you see in the mirrors in the back? Are your mirrors okay?
I think so.
All right. All right. The famous Yožek is again.
It's at rough road.
That is correct. That's what we want. So now, guys, we're gonna show you driving lessons from the. Yeah, famous Yožek driver is driving very well. There's nothing to worry about. It is very good. Yožek is very good. Yožek is the best driver.
Just the road is patched.
Yeah, the road is a little bit the bumpy road to success. The bumpy road to success is like the bumpy road to life. There's obstacles, and there is like obstacles, and there is some hurdles in life, and the same thing. We have that bumpy road, but we have to do the sunset. You see, guys? Do you see the beautiful sunset and the beautiful Yožek is driving very well. All right. Speed limit, park speed limit is 40 miles. We are now with about 25 miles. That is like the perfect speed for the park, 25 miles, right?
I think so. It's not too fast, it's not too slow.
Yožek, you are driving excellently. Your skills are getting higher and higher. The more you drive, the better you become. You are the best driver on the road. We can see your skills are growing rapidly, and you are a very successful driver. You are the best. You love driving. That is your new job. You're gonna become the best Uber driver. You can soon sign up with Uber, and you can start making like $500, $600, $700 per day. That is excellent money for an Uber driver. Would you like to become an Uber driver? You are the best driver. You love your job. It's amazing to drive this beautiful car. It's called the taxi driver. The taxi driver is a cool person. You are the taxi driver now. Thank you for driving us. You drive very well. Yožek, you drive very good. I like it. You drive smooth. You pay attention to the every little details. You see the trees, you see the sunset, you see the yellow lines, you see the white lines. Your car is in the middle of the road. You are centered very well.
Yeah, people are nervous, and they are just...
They are not nervous. It's only in your head you think that they are nervous. They don't even care about you. They don't know you. They don't see you. You're just one car on the road, and you should not get bothered by other drivers on the road. That is the basic rule. You take care of your car, and everything will take care of itself, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The people in the back, the people behind you, you should not be concerned. You should be concerned only with what's going on in front of you. Right? Right. That's right. Right. That should be your main concern. Look front. Look in the head. Look ahead.
Is there a restroom in this parking? Oh, but no, I'm not gonna cross solid double yellow line.
No, you can go there. You can go there. Yes, you can
That's
slow down. You can slow down, and you can go look for the restroom. There is restroom here. Okay, or you gonna just continue.
Next.
This is picnic area, Silver Mine, the Silver Mine picnic area. This is where we go snow tubing, snowboarding, and snow fighting, and snow falling on our ass. But that was good experience. You can go and check our other videos how we did that. Right?
Yeah. We
I
had so much
remember
fun.
that was like driving a car with no steering wheel. That was driving like car with no steering wheel. Where the steering wheel was for you to use your own body to balance the direction of the
Right.
what was that, like we was using this plastic thing.
The sleighs.
The sleigh, the
I don't know. Sleigh.
The sleigh, the Santa Claus is coming with the sleigh. All right. Jožek, you are very good. Here is the area that it's a good trail. You said so yourself, right?
Yeah.
This is a beautiful trail somewhere here. And you're doing very well. You are absolutely amazing driver. You drive like a pro. Your skills are getting better and better and better. You can speed up a little bit, maybe just a little bit speed to get to 30 miles per hour. That would be nice, right? Nice. Right, nice, right, nice. All right, 25 miles. That's like a curvy road. Let's speed up a little bit, Jožek.
On a curvy road.
Yeah, that's not that curvy road, okay?
It's curvy for me.
Well, that is, you can get to 30 miles per hour. That's like, look at this straight line to catapult our planes, to land,
People are crossing.
to take off with our vehicle, which has in the back of our vehicle we do have a special attachment called the super duper H3ZPCC Debetzinganzombozaga. It is like a hyper loop magnetic engine that can bring us to the teleportation to the star. As Jožek pushed this button, we move to another universe with the speed of bigger than the speed of light, okay? We just instantaneously move to another universe by pushing this button because our vehicle has this attachment in the back. The famous Jožek is driving very well. Very good, very good. Oh, it's beautiful rivers. The rivers are running. The sun is setting down and the Jožek is driving right. All right, I'm gonna make a song now. Okay, I have to come up with the melody, I have to come with the lyrics, and I have to come with the... Okay, here are the lyrics. Моя звезда, она катается по желтая линия. Okay, this will be okay. Моя звезда, смотрите вы на линия. На желтая линия. That's the желтая линия. No. Oh, we have to incorporate this. Моя звезда, учится на катание. Не, можно ли так сказать, на катание?
Нет.
No, okay, this is Bulgarian Russian, I'm sorry. Bulgarian, Yugoslavian. Моя звезда, она катает, она... Okay, help me, please.
Катается всегда.
Моя звезда, всегда она катается по эта дорога. Дорого. Это дорого деньги. All right. Моя звезда, всегда она катается как самый... I'm coming with the lyrics. Моя звезда, всегда она катается, как Шумахер по полоса. Alright, Шумахер по полоса. Или на полоса. Как это правильно сказать? Ежик, помогите.
По полосе.
Моя звезда, она всегда катается по широкая по...
Окей, тут уже надо медленнее
Alright.
кататься. It's like
It's
speed
a like-
limit is
The speed limit is the speed limit. Shut up! Alright, now we just have to go in the circular thing and we have to go forward, right?
I don't know. You tell me.
Yes, okay, slow down here, you have to slow down here. Okay, now you advance slowly in the circular thing. If there is other vehicle here, we have to stop, but there's no other vehicle. Yes, you just go. Advance. You are entering the circular circle. Oh, shit. And this is the tiramisu.
Куда?
Okay, here we go straight here. Yeah, we go straight. Yes, and we go straight. Continue straight. Fantastic.
where? Over
And
there?
then we go right. Yes, with here we take right. Wow, the lake has frozen like an ocean.
Defrozen, or what's the word?
Defried, defrosted, defrozen. The lake is now. Wow, the lake is now lake. It's not like a frozen. Моя звезда, она всегда катается, как Шумахер по полоса. На полосе? На полоса?
По полосе.
По полосе. And somebody has to finish the last.
I cannot be creative and drive at the same time.
You are the best. You are driving. Your skills. The more creative you become, the more driving skills you have. Please come up with the next slogan. Моя звезда, она всегда катается.
Она катается всегда.
Она катается всегда. Как Шумахер по
По полосе.
как Шумахер по полосе. Учится. Она учится. Давайте, помогайте. All right, you are a good driver. Now, what you have to do a little bit to, like, your body should be positioned a little bit in more relaxing. Stretch your body a little bit down, a little bit back, please. Just like a little bit. Relax a little bit. Stretch your legs, not legs, but stretch your arms. All right, you are good. All right, you are very good. Yes, fantastic. You're doing very well. The famous Ежик is an absolutely amazing driver. All right. Now, can you park in that area that we are going to park, right?
Just let me know where. There's a couple of cars behind me.
All
Very
right.
nervous drivers.
These not nervous drivers. These are good drivers, all right? You continue doing your thing. Do not worry about the drivers behind you. They should be patient people and they should be not distract.
Just let me know where we can park.
All right, we're gonna park.
No, I can go further. It doesn't matter.
Yes, you go further, Ежик, go further, famous Ежик. Моя звезда, она всегда катается, как Шумахер на полосе, по полосе. Slow down here, slow down with the brake, slow down. You have to slow down here You have to control the vehicle here with the brake because we are downhill. All right. All right. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. When you're downhill, you know, in these turns, you have to slow down the car with the brake. Okay, you have to.
Yes, I'm getting tired. Just let me know where I can pull.
All right, then we can. Okay, fantastic. I know it's tiring to switch between brakes and pedals and all this
it's
shit.
not that. It's something else.
It is mental pressure has built up. All
Plus,
right.
there's people
Now you have
walking
to
over
slow down. Now you have to go slightly left away from that person, slightly left, all right? And now we have a beautiful slightly left, all right? And now we have to park hey over there.
Where?
That's right here. Slow down, and there is like a little island of happiness here. All right, slow down with the brake. Fantastic. Jožek has completed
I just needed a break because when I'm by myself, I'm fine. But when I see all those cars, видишь, у ежика мокрые ручки.
All right, there is like a little pressure build up because of the other vehicles, but overall,
Because I'm driving slightly under the speed limit, like 10 miles less, and people are annoyed.
well, these are usually like justification of the driver in the new driver's head, that they make up these like things that are not real, but they make them up in their heads to feel bad about themselves. Okay.
Something like that.
So don't do that. When you're, you have to be confident when you drive yourself.
I like driving with you. I don't like driving by myself.
Confidence is a driving skill. It's a crucial skill when you learn to drive car. Confidence is a key. You have to be confident, otherwise you can make like millions of mistakes. No confidence, more mistakes. That's what it is. All right. It's the same time in life. If
How
you're
many minutes?
well, we drove about 17 minutes. Jožek, you are the best. You are the best. You hold like 17 minutes long distance driving on
That's
30
fine. Like
30 miles per hour. That was
last
good.
3 minutes were like a little, unpleasant.
And you see these Dodge Challengers and all these motherfuckers with the big pickup trucks, and they like.
Ishchi, can we find a restroom?
Yes, we're gonna go. All right, that's it. Now tell them how to drive. Tell them these people.
Oh, how to drive?
Tell them how to.
Number one, find a good teacher, and you'll be able to drive in no time. Everything is about your desire and teacher.
The same in life. Find the good mentors in your life. If you don't have good mentors, it's gonna take like 10 times more to figure it out by your own. Why not get some mentors and some gurus and some people to help you out? You're not gonna figure it on your own, okay? If you are going to figure it out on your own, I'm having a question for you. Why you didn't figure it out on your own already? Yes, that's what I mean. So it's we need gurus, we need mentors, we need this and that. All right, Jožek, tell them to subscribe. The famous Jožek will tell you.
Okay, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, or
learn to drive.
Yes, if you want to learn how to drive, follow our daily vlogs where I'm practicing, and we're facing with like all kind of challenges, like people, cars, dogs, everything.
Birds.
We do parallel parking. We do what is it called? 90
degrees, parking in the wood, parking on the moon, parking
Yes.
everywhere, in the mall, in the shopping mall, in this and that.
K-turns, U-turns. I can do U-turns.
K-turn, A-turn, C-turns, Z-turns, W, double V, W turns. Any time of terms, it's like
Yeah.
turns and terms, all right?
Something like that. Well, thanks for watching. Stay hydrated. Be safe.
And subscribe, okay? Subscribe, motherfucker.